We are in High Point today, taking care of this new listing. We got some flat surfaces, some steps, a sidewalk, and a pool deck. But we're actually going to start by taking off these solar screens first, then post-treat all of these flat surfaces, come back and pressure wash, and then we're going to end with window cleaning. We have pre-treated some of the areas. Kind of see it lifting a little bit. We got all the screens, the solar screens, plus the regular screens down. We're pretty much done in the backyard, other than the windows. But this walkway is clean. Pool deck, back patio, some furniture. We did a little house wash up here. There's a bunch of algae on those 3 windows. Now, there's one more solar screen up front that I missed. Get that down, and then we're gonna surface clean the driveway. We just finished the post-treatment on the driveway. Pretty big difference. We post-treated this pony wall as well, and this walkway up to the front door. That's it for the pressure washing. We're gonna get to the windows next. This is overspray from a black fence stain. Not from us. All right, we just wrapped up. Everything's drying nicely. Those are spotless. All the algae up there is gone. This was a tight corner over here by the pool equipment. We got all those windows done. So again, this is a new listing in High Point. Full house wash. And they are ready to go.